In this video, I will show you how I dig and pull my propane line up to the workshop heater. So I dig a lot and I have a lot of rocks. I tried the mine pick, it didn't work. It didn't get through the rocks. So I bought a hammer drill to make hole in the rocks, then use the rock splitter. I've been able to crack a bit the rocks, but it didn't work as well because the rocks is really big. So here you can see the crack, but I can't remove a chunk. Now I'm gonna try the concrete saw. I will try to cut a way through the rocks. I think this is the last tool, and this is the tool I should have used first. So here you see the lands going down. So I order 15 tons of clear fill, so it's filling. It's kind of a forest soil. So what I will do here, if I will probably just fill this up equal, so I don't really need to dig through the rocks there. But here it's just rocks from here till the end, and I can't really fill that up because I don't want the land to be higher than my building. I want to keep that low. I will try to saw a way going down there, and I will just put a little bit of filling on it. So I order lots of fillings, 15 tons of it. So this is how it will be. It fit quite well in the groove I made. So I jerk rocks on both sides to make sure it doesn't move. I also tape this side so the water won't tend to go in it. And I just realized that this making music. Look. So I decided to put another pipe to protect the cable here, and I cut the good angle. Alright, so everything is plugged. I also shoot some soap water on the fitting to make sure there is no leak. Everything's fine. So I will plug that thing and I will try it. So it seems fine. This is now running on the big tank, my 400 pounds. I won't have to like recharge my 30 pounds anymore. I will keep it for the barbecue, but I was emptying the 30 pounds probably after I think 12 hours of running, 10 or 12 hours if I remember last year. So after 12 hours I had no gas anymore in there, but with the 400 pounds, which I'm not really using for the house at the moment, it will be really good. It will probably make the whole winter. I will probably make it.
Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.